name is Michelle. Welcome to Moxie. Let's get you paid. Okay, we're going to cut right to the chase. You need to invoice your clients, and we are here to make that simple and professional. We have several ways that you can invoice. So it's going to start by creating a client, and you can choose to create a standard invoice, whether that is just you're sending an invoice one time for something that you did for your client, or you have kind of ongoing project work. You can pull in any of the project work that you're doing. I'll show you that in a second. Don't worry. You can have a deposit. You can work on a payment plan by creating multiple milestones, as many as you need for the payment plan to break down into, or set up an automatic recurring invoice that sends on a certain schedule. My recommendation is to start with our invoice assistant. We're going to say, I need an invoice due in 30 days for $1,000 for making a really nice tutorial video, for an example. Our assistant is going to ask you a few questions to try to get some more information for sake of showing you how the video works. We're just going to have the assistant do their best, and it will create an automatic invoice for you that you can then share either by a Moxie email or download and send the PDF. You can connect this with your PayPal or your Stripe account, and that allows folks to pay right online. When it comes to working with clients and then billing them for the projects that you've worked on, you'll set up each of those projects. Let's take your project and then we'll say this one is going to be a recurring monthly for $1,000. And maybe you have another project that is instead going to be, let's say this one's going to be an hourly project, and we can change this type to be hourly. And once you start tracking and completing these projects, we'll be able to track that. We'll know what you've billed for and what you haven't billed for. Then when it comes time to invoice, you'll be able to see those invoices here. So here is the invoice that I've created related to this project. And I can see that it's late. I've added an automatic late fee. I can send this again. We also have reminders set up automatically. So you don't have to be the bad guy. If your invoice is overdue, you can set up how often you want your clients to be reminded of how much they still owe you. So Moxie is going to take care of creating a professional invoice for you and reminding your clients that they need to pay you.